Hello friends, in this video I'm going to talk about something really important, which is your credit score. I want to share some tips on how to increase your credit score and also how to maintain a high credit score. This was prompted, unfortunately, because I was working with a client and we found a whole bunch of misreportings from the mortgage company saying he was late and he was never late. Now we're working with a credit attorney to help fix those. And so that leads me to my first tip is to make sure that everything on your credit report is accurate. You can go to annualcreditreport.com and get a free credit report to make sure that everything there is accurate, no errors. If there's any disputes, that those are taken care of and properly reflected. So number two is to not only pay your credit cards on time, but also to pay them off or keep a very low balance on them. This makes a big portion of your credit score. So if you have a lot of credit card debt and also own a home, I would recommend looking into debt consolidation to see if you can lower your monthly payment and increase your credit score at the same time. If you don't own a home and you do have credit card debt, really be diligent about working towards paying off that debt because the interest rates on credit cards are so high. So you definitely want to do that. But leads me to my next tip is really understanding that the length of credit and new credit optimization really does impact your score as well. So one strategy that I have seen not do great is when someone consolidates all their credit card debt into a new credit card. It sounds like it makes sense, but it's not the best because the length of your credit does impact your credit score. So if you have really old accounts that you've been on time or paying, and then you open a new account, the length of your credit history gets averaged out. So you don't really want to keep on opening new credit all the time because that decreases your score. So if you do have, again, a lot of credit card debt and you own a home, look at the debt consolidation. But if you don't, you would, instead of opening a new credit card, you want to go to your current credit card companies and see if you can work something out, if they can increase your line or if they can, give you some kind of offer to lower that interest rate temporarily. I hope you found these were helpful. If you have any questions about debt consolidation, or hopefully you never need this, but if you do need a resource for a credit attorney, please let me know because this credit attorney only works if he is successful in helping you increase your credit. Whereas a lot of the credit repair companies are on a fee basis, and it really doesn't matter what happens at the end. And also, please do consider sharing this with 3 of your friends, family, or coworkers who may think that this is helpful as well. And thank you so much for watching and have a great day.